Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering this Winchester 49 gun safe I got from Tractor Supply. I want to do a quick summary and overview of this product. I finally went ahead and remodeled this room here, redid some carpet tile into the hallway as well, and I purchased two of these safes, and finally after 2 months I got them from out of the garage into this room after it's been finished. As you can see, it's got some nice lighting, track lighting up top. I'm going to make this my gun room and do all sorts of different gun activities, working on stuff as well as cleaning and things like that. So I may also start making some videos down here in this room, but I want to go ahead and also tell you that I changed the name of the channel. So it's no longer John Franco, it's Hot Rods and Homestead. So I think it's more descriptive of what I like to do on the channel. And going forward, I want to, introduce other things and other topics as well. But these two safes have been really, really nice. I'm really impressed with them so far. I'm really liking how spacious they are. Before I had these two safes, I had a single stack-on 28 gun total defense. And that worked out for a long time, up until the point where I got so many guns that I could not fit anymore inside of the safe. And they all were banging around and touching each other because they have optics and red dots and stuff on them. And as you know, when they tell you 28 guns, it really doesn't hold 28 guns. It might hold 28 handguns and long guns, like shotguns that with nothing on them when it comes to optics and sights and things like that. So just like a bare bones long gun, yeah, you might be able to fit those in there. But when you start doing like tactical rifles and things like that, pistols that have optics on them, rifles that have optics on them, and scopes, you're gonna get into a situation where you're gonna realize that 30 gun safe only fits like 10. Okay. And that's why I purchased two of these 49 gun safes, because it gives me plenty of room for future expansion. And I almost have them filled up right now. So it's going to be, really, really nice to see the layout of these. I want to show you really quick what they look like up close. You have a digital keypad, and you also have underneath that, you just do a quick turn. There's a mechanical key as well. Okay, so just in case you get, a dead battery, you still have a mechanical key for backup, which is this guy right here. Okay, so you're covered. It's EMP proof, so you don't have to worry about if an EMP hits, you still can get to your guns. Okay, so let's take a look really quick on the inside. Nice thick door. Really impressed. It's automatically lit up. As you can see, you just like wave your hand in there. As soon as you open the door, it's going to light up. And as you can see, I have some of my long guns in here, SBRs, folding stocks, sub guns, all like tucked in there. I will also put links to what I'm using here for gun racks, as well as like those foam kind of gun holders there up against the wall. I basically cut them to size and fit them in there with just compression, and it basically holds the guns up no problem. So I took a little time to figure out how I wanted to organize this. As you can see, I have SBRs with folding stocks in here, and then I have the longer guns. I have a Blazer TAC 2 300 Win Mag right here. I kept this side all the way open, no shelf up top. I did put a rack up there to hold the suppressors and things like that. And there's a gun right there. There's a TP9 just sitting there. I got creative with how I'm kind of arranging this, but you get the idea. It's super spacious, extremely wide. It's 32 inches wide on the exterior, okay? And the door is covered with pouches and pockets for handguns, okay? So once I start building up more handguns, I'll eventually fill these up. But I prefer to have the rack. I want to look straight in and just like take a look at what I have for handguns. That's another thing. This safe is nice and tall. I kept it on its risers, okay, which adds another like 4.5 inches. And it keeps it nice, kind of like when you look inside here, you're looking straight at your pistols, and I can go straight in and grab it and not bang on the top. Usually that's what would happen if it was sitting lower and you went to grab your pistol, and it would usually kind of clip the top of this. But that doesn't happen because I'm keeping it on risers. I might actually make it taller, like twice as tall, like 8 or 9 inches. Some like, you know, 4x6s or 8x8s or something. Put those underneath the safe and give it some height. But as you can see, you just flash your hand or your leg, and it senses that you are close once you open the door. And there's a little motion sensor right down here. Okay, that's what activates the light. There's a plug out back. You basically plug this in from the back side. There's a receptacle in the back, and it plugs into the wall. It's very nice. It's a 45-minute rating safe. I'm just gonna stand back to give you the full picture. And that's plenty, okay? I just need something to store guns. I don't need it to be an hour and a half, 2-hour fire rated, you know, something like this is good enough. I just need something that's good looking, has built-in light. That's what attracted me to this gun safe at Tractor Supply, is that it was on sale. I got them for 800 bucks a piece. That's a steal because these go for a lot of money, as you probably know. If you start looking around for safes, different brand safes, you know, Brownings and things like that, and Liberty safes, they get pretty damn expensive. But I'm very impressed with this safe so far. Let's give this close this up. There is a seal around the top. So what happens is with fire, this seal right here will expand and seal off the door completely from the atmosphere of the room. So if you didn't know that, that's what happens. Okay. I don't know what series this is called. You know, it has a Securam keypad. It does not have an LED up top. I thought it did, but it does not. That's something that some of the more expensive safes have. They have a little LED, so when you're punching in your code, you can see the keypad. This does not have that. That's the only thing I'm kind of lacking on this, but I think I can do okay with a flashlight. So I want to show you guys first, I guess, some of the specs here. Okay, it's the TS model 48-45. 48 gun safe. Actually, I just called it a 49, but it's a 48. Anyways, 59 height, 34 wide, and 24 deep. It's about 500 pounds. You get a limited lifetime warranty, 45-minute safe against fire, and you have that backup key, which is nice, okay? It also comes with this Gunsticks kind of gun organization tool, which is kind of nifty, okay? So you have this like handle or peg that you place into this rod into, and I don't have it right here, but there's like a pegboard that you like, you basically come up top here, and it's like a shelf, and you place it up top, and you would install the handle, that silver handle, the aluminum handle, with that rod, and essentially come down through the bore, the barrel bore of your gun, and like kind of suspend it in midair. Okay, it's a cool concept, but I really don't think that's going to work out for me. As you can see, I rather use, you know, the slotted kind of rifle holder. Another thing, these are pretty deep. I don't like how much space they take up. They come with one each, so you get one of these and like a whole bunch of these shelves in that pegboard for the Gunsticks. But look up Gunsticks. I'm not going to go over that, but I did want to show you what it looks like. It's essentially this nice like composite rod that you would just install down. I'm going to pick that up. And you just install into the bore, and it just like suspends the rifle kind of like sitting on its butt on the bottom of the safe, and then you just kind of like lift it up. You would have to trim these according to the different lengths of rifle barrel and height, okay? So you would basically like trim these up, and then you would like just install like, I don't know, 2-3 inches, just enough so you can pull it up and out by the handle, which is this. Okay, I had it attached, but it came apart. But you get the idea. It's essentially a gun organization tool. Each one of the safes came with one of these tubes, came with one of these boxes with all sorts of hardware, including for the shelves. It came with a lot of shelves. I actually didn't use all those shelves that were included. So there's plenty of extra. I put all that stuff in the attic. I'm gonna put this stuff in the attic too. I don't need it. But here's the keys. It comes with 3 keys each, okay? Very nice. We got the SIG case. But anyways, here's the other one I have, and set up kind of like a little different. Okay, I have all the handguns up top. I like that easy access to the top to the handgun sitting on a rack. Really, really easy and spacious. I like how wide this is. I can't tell you how much I like how wide this safe is because you open this thing and you can have full access to your guns. You don't have to be banging around or like kind of like worried you're gonna hit the door here on the right. You know, and it works out great. I really like how this is laid out right now. I also bought these rubberized, the kind of overmolded rifle holders. They're magnetic, so they're basically attached to this right now. The little rails that are attached on the wall of the inside of the safe. Those work out great because they're a little shallower. Okay, and I needed something else. I didn't want to buy these. I think these are like a 90 to 100 bucks from like from Winchester if you had to buy them separately. So this slotted shelf. Like I said, these are not as shallow as these, and you can fit more stuff, and it is more room because this being more shallow. I mean, I like these because they're included, but that's about it. I wouldn't go ahead and spend 100 bucks on them after shipping to get another set. So these, I believe, are like 40 or 50 bucks. I will include the Amazon link for these guys. But as you can see, got all my tactical rifles in here, handguns up top. Really liking this setup. You know, same thing with the door in this one. You got your pockets in your pouches in the bottom there. All right, so moving along, this room is going to become essentially my gun room. I'm going to finish up the walls with some slat wall, some hanging systems or whatever, and just make it more a functional space for, you know, gun activities, I should say. I'm going to end up putting a nice butcher block here and staining it like a darker color, like maybe a walnut or something like a cherry, just so I have a nice big work surface to, you know, do whatever. Attach scopes, optics, make adjustments, you know, drift sights, whatever I have to do. I want to have this space like kind of more functionally utilized. So maybe put some cabinets and some lighting up underneath the cabinets here as well. So going forward, I will make an update video. But right now I'm really liking the gun room. Nice and spacious here. I have a lot of stuff here that I can work with. A nice fresh canvas when it comes to putting stuff on the wall and hanging up, making it look like an actual gun lounge, gun room. So, but that there is the Winchester safe. I'm not sure what else I want to talk about the safe itself. Like I said, I'm really liking these safes. Like, I am very happy with them. Okay, for 800 bucks, they are an absolute steal. You cannot do better than this safe. It comes, like I said, automatically with the installed lighting. You don't have to put that in afterwards. It's fire rated, big spacious interior, and it comes with all sorts of different modifications, like attachments and things like that, like the slotted shelves and the gun sticks if you want to use that. But if you have AR-15s and like more tactical guns and bolt action rifles and, you know, sniper rifles, stuff like that, you're gonna probably not want to use the gun sticks. I think it's more something if for the FUDs out there, you know, your guys that are shooting, you know, trap and skeet and have a lot of longer, you know, narrow, skinny guns like shotguns and trap guns and things like that. All right, so wrapping it up, that's going to be the Winchester TS48-45 gun safes. If you have any other questions, please place them right down below. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.